Well, Emma here wanted to say hello and wanted to do a video to introduce herself and how her feathers are looking now, all fluffy. She's just under 2 weeks old. She's 13 days old, and yeah, she likes sitting on my chest or my shoulder a lot, watching things on TV and watching the other birds fly around. She can't yet fly, but she's flapping her wings quite a bit, and I reckon it'll probably be the next 2 or 3 days where she starts flying. She's still not. I don't think she's eating seeds on her own yet. I think that she's still having the crop milk. Yeah, her parents are teaching her quite a lot. She seems to be very keen on the outside of the cage. Usually, I have the parents out for a few hours a day, but because she's then left on her own in the cage, I like to bring her out and have her out here as well, because then she can end up enjoying being out of the cage and not being trapped in there with them or without them, because the parents can easily just come up and sit on me as well, which is what they usually do. But yeah, she's very, very tame. She seems to enjoy sitting on top of me. The first couple of days she nearly tried to like crawl down the back of my back, which was rather awkward because of how fragile her wings were and everything, and how I couldn't be able to reach around to grab her. Yeah, she's doing okay. I'll keep you all updated how she comes along with regards to her first flight and everything. You want to say goodbye? No, she's quiet. Have a lovely day, everybody.